Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix error. Please check your network connection in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, try this method. Click on start, type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now guys, here you need to type this command line. Now in here type ipconfig space slash flush DNS, then press enter. Now type net sh space winsock space reset, then press enter. Now close it and restart your PC. And guys, after restart still you are facing error, so try another method. Click on restart, settings. Now click on network and internet. Now click on advanced network settings. Now here is the option network reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. And make sure guys, when you reset, this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterward, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So click on reset. Then after reset, restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can fix and resolve error. Please check your network connection in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.